Okay, this is kind of this interesting little complex. Let me just kind of do a little bit of a 360 here. I'm not sure the name of the street, so I'm going to attach it to Avenida de Kwong, and I'll show you that. It's basically it's right over through that side. But basically we're just surrounded by all the buildings and all the way throughout, and they're all quite tall as well, trying to keep you on the ground so you can actually see the context of it all. But yeah, so basically we're in this little complex and we are going to go out the Avenida de Kwong, and that way I'm just kind of show you all that's around here and go around the building, down that street, and come out over there a little bit. Okay. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna label it Avenida de Kwong, and yeah, actually there's used to be I think one of these, that one I think was used to be the Irish bar. Used to be another bar called The Bar, I think it was called. There's like used to be a couple kind of cool bars, but those are all gone now. But yeah, and this whole area is or no, maybe I'll see it in a second. All those bars closed a while back. It's kind of a cool little space right there as well. It's like it might turn into something again. They used to have a Korean one over here. There's like a little bar that had Korean food and would bring in a different kind of audience as well. Right over there is a jockey club. That's our little complex right in there. Then you also have the walkways too up there. I think the Irish bar used to be right here, I think one of these two. That's gone. That's Avenida de Kwong, so that's going to be our focus in a minute. And we're just going to come in real quick. So yeah, kind of a cool little space. There used to be a building over there too. They took it down. They're going to build something on the other side. So when there was a wall over there too, it kind of had a more like engulfed kind of feeling. Now it feels more open. But anyways, the Korean restaurant was like right in this area, which is now gone. A lot of stuff ended in this area. A lot of it ended before COVID, but since COVID, a lot of stuff has disappeared as well. So I think the Irish bar used to be one of these two, I think. Subway restaurant. Okay. There's a lemon tea restaurant, or lemon tea shop. Hafalmon. There was a Filipino one that was over here. That must be gone now. A lot of these ones are gone. I haven't been over here in a while, and there's a lot of new ones. Edificio Namsan. Okay, so we're coming up on Avenida de Kwong. There's a station right there. Maybe we'll walk just down just briefly, just so you can kind of give a little context. Yeah, actually this is kind of cool too, this little complex. Another Chinese restaurant. It's like duck and goose. Yeah, actually I guess this is like all the trash cans you go here. That's the Jockey Club. That's the station for the transit line. Okay. So we're just gonna walk on down. So this is Avenida de Kwong. That's our little space right in there. And we're just gonna walk all the way down Avenida de Kwong. Directly down is Nova Grand Mall, it's called. I don't think we're gonna walk down that far, but we'll walk down there a little ways. Let me just see here. So there's tons of scooters that go all the way down this way. Got a subway right there. And let me see if I can see all the way down. I think I can't see that mall. I don't think we're gonna go that far down, but we'll go down a little ways. It's kind of looking at some of these restaurants and bars. So there's been so many changes, especially since that 3 years of COVID. I don't remember this one. Cup Cafe. Cup. Let's see what kind of food they got here. Okay. Angus steak set meal. That's pretty good. 88. Thai style. Okay, this is a Thai restaurant. Nice. Didn't even know about it. Okay, let me just kind of see. Oh, you can also sit at the window as well. You see lunch set. This one, it's like kind of a Japanese style. I can see some of the foods. And this one right there is a Portuguese restaurant, Banza. It has a Michelin award, so you can see all 6 of them right here. So they got 2020, 21, 22. So they got 6 Michelin. Banza. You can also sit outside, have cigarettes, eat a meal. Okay. Yeah, so Michelin award winning restaurant right there. Does look pretty good. Okay, so that's Banza. I'm gonna keep on going. This one called Focus. And then this loft, time to relax. I've never been in there. Last time I checked, the door was closed, so I couldn't even get in and take a look. But it says time to relax, the loft. That's kind of our street. There's a Jockey Club all the way down. Avenida de Kwong right there is our sign. Up there is Taipa, like a little bunch of hiking trails up there. They go around in a big circle. It's pretty cool, actually. So this is Braga Street right here. And there was all these barracks here before, so all the barracks are gone now. So yeah, this had like these. They look like military barracks or something like that, or like an airplane hangar or something. But they're all gone now. And I believe this is called Namsan. That's Taipa Pequeño up there, so there's trails up on that way. Okay. That's Yoho Tower over there. I think that's kind of new, but there's all these kind of apartments that are pretty, like tons of windows and everything like that. Okay. Yoho Towers. Okay, so that's kind of the focus street right there, and we're just gonna there's Grand Dragon Casino as well for people that are tourists. That's actually some kind of cheap lodging as well. So we're gonna keep on going. I'm not gonna go too far. Actually, what I'm gonna do, if I keep walking, there's kind of a long stretch of all this. They're gonna turn it into a park. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cross the street. Come to the other side. You can also see another space there too. Avenida de Kwong, and right there is the Grand Mall. So we're just gonna walk that direction a little bit. There used to be a burger place right there, 853 Burger, but that's gone now too. Yoga Light and hiking trails. And I don't think we're gonna go too much further, but I'll just kind of give you some context. Come to MPU. Is that Macau Polytech University? So I guess we had missions there. So basically that's the mall. There's like a temple over there. There's some tall buildings right there, and it goes around towards the Macau side. So we're at the northern part of Taipa. That's a Grand Taipa Park right over there. Those tall buildings right there. There's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. So they kind of like a block with a giant park in the middle of it. So that's all right over there. That's our target street. And then this one, they're gonna make it into something for kids all the way down. And that's the one that we basically came down, and that's the Jockey Club right there. Okay. So I guess we're gonna end it there. Hope you like that one. Got a little taste of Macau. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.